Alright, so this is the first cooking video of this whole channel. Big deal. And today, we are making Turkish delight. Really cool. It looks really yummy. It's like a jelly kind of dessert, candy. Not really sure could call it that. So I'm getting my recipe, or not my recipe, freaking ingredients here. Alright, so and then like I put the sugar in the pot. I'm not really sure like what recipe I'm using. But yeah, I'm just like doing that, okay, and then put the water in there. Again, like maybe I could have like the recipe links down below, something like that, and then like and then put that on the stove, add some heat to it. You know what I'm saying? Turn up the heat, turn up the heat, and yeah, this is I don't even know, cause like this is like my first time doing this in like a while. Like I haven't really made anything in a while, so. Alright, so put the water in there in like a separate container. I was like, deciding which like spatula I want to use, cause like there's like a lot in there, right? So I went ahead and went with the wooden one. I thought it was the safest option. Um, like all old fashioned. So go ahead and stir that a little bit, um, and then like you have to have like a thermometer for this, but like I wasn't trying to go to the store again to get another thermometer, so it's just gonna have to like work work with what we got here. All right, so I think this is oh yeah, this is cornstarch. Like I didn't even know what I was using for this. I just like kind of eyeballed it a little bit. Like low key, I was my first time doing something like this, so I know you have to like air it, but I didn't do that. Maybe that's gonna be like a, I don't know. So put that in there, and then like I needed more, and then there was like a little bit in the cup, so I tried to like scrape some, wasn't really working. So like I I went ahead and like poured some in there. I don't think I showed that though. Yeah, I didn't show that. And then you gotta whisk it. That's the most important step. You gotta whisk it. Make sure you whisk it. Okay, so you gotta whisk it. It was really tough. It was really tough. It was like, man, like you could see me like struggling. Like, man. All right, so stirring the sugar, and then stirring. Oh yeah, so I put this on the pot. Didn't show that though. So I'm stirring this, and it looks like so far looking really cool. Okay, and it's gonna be kind of crazy because like this is where about like disaster is gonna strike. So I wouldn't have like spit that up, and look at this, look at this. So it's like jelly. It looks like jelly like. I was not expecting that. Like I thought it was like some serum, but it's not. It's like some jelly. It looks like tapioca jelly like. So and it was really tough. Like I had to just freaking use my whole fist in that thing. Like holy moly! Like seriously, like it was like a whole. Okay, so stir that up. Okay, and then it looks like a pudding. It's like a jelly like. And my dog down below trying to get a little bite. That's amazing, freaking dog. And then you have to like pour this into the thing, and this is where disaster struck. So everything went good. Okay, got my whisk, and then I went and like stirred it. So I think I should have used something else. Like I don't think I should have used the whisk, and I think that's what I should have used a wooden spoon for this, not the whisk. I think that's what happened here. And then it was really loud. And then like the pot like was noticeably getting deteriorated. And I'm like, holy moly, what am I doing right now? Like the flame in the background was crazy. Um, but like so far so good, like low key. And then like fast forward it, the pot got cooked. Not really sure why. Uh, yeah, the pot got cooked. Shoot. Then like I was thinking in my head like might as well just swing it, cause I already gotten so far. It's like either back out now or follow through, and I followed through because you gotta learn from these messages. You gotta learn from what to do, and like I think that's really important. And yeah, so I went ahead and did that a little bit, and like I noticed like there was some. Oh, and then yeah, like the freaking smoke detector went off. Like I couldn't even see smoke. So yeah, that kind of yikes. Yeah. So pot like got cooked. I did not think this pot would survive this, but I think it did. Yeah. So pour some more in there, and then pour some more in there. Obviously stirred it in between. Um, the pot is like charred, charred pot. Um, and then I realized it looks like caramel, and it looks like burnt sugar. So I went ahead and like put that down, and I don't think I could add any more because I don't think I was quick enough. And I think that's another big flaw that I messed up. So I went ahead and used and added the flavoring and what's it called food dye. Okay, so I used vanilla and strawberry, just so you know. I just eyeballed it too, like I did not measure it. So I put this in the pot, or not the pot, the freaking uh, pastry paper, um, parchment paper, and I spread it out a little bit because maybe I can still save this. It looks good, like it looks good. Like there's some little charred black spots in it, but I mean, like we all make mistakes. My first thing, my first time, um, and like I went ahead and like tasted it because I was curious. Like, am I gonna tell this? And then it was so good. Like low key, this is so good. This is so good. So like I went ahead and got the most that I could from this because it was fire. It was fire. And then yeah, that's the finished recipe. Here are the pictures from when I completed it, and it was good. It was good. I rated it like a 9 or like a 7 out of 10. The one thing that could be wrong from this is that um like I didn't mix it well enough, and because of that, there was like chunks of um cornstarch in the thing, and that really wasn't good. So that's it. Cooking with Jay. First video. Let me know how I did, and it was